Multi-Action Sculpting Cream is our luxurious, skin-firming face and neck treatment. It targets the underlying causes of thin, sagging skin to deliver a powerful tightening effect from the inside out. Formulated with a powerful biomimetic tripeptide, Multi-Action Sculpting Cream supports healthy levels of collagen and elastin for a firmer, more contoured look on the face, jawline, and neck. My neck has tightened up. All the wrinkles from the loose skin have almost disappeared. I also had deep lines on my forehead and around my eyes. These have greatly decreased. I am amazed at how well this product is working, and in so little time. Beth.